Well, a quema da ho agudi emu nsem de nkansuo ene de akansuo kiti bi ena ye di Asia wa aha enti ase efie me no ka say there is a top defender because a top wa Ghana Premier League no onim Ghana Premier League no emu intricacies nyina no meka Nations FC player ye friend no Asante boy currently he's under observation. Oh, Kumase Asante Kotoko. And there's a bit of positive news because player no the state and any bad cry. So Kotoko to me signer and I say Kotoko signer. I think say he's going to be a very good addition to Kumase Asante Kotoko setup. I said 2026-2027 Ghana Premier League no. No. Me who detail a detailed report as a matter of fact. I NTSFE with the Asia on the Royal Super 24 TV no so. Then there are two Congolese players. Omawurem Kumase Omo Kotoko camp. The who latest update but the position is ben. Then you know into the Obayama men say share Kotoko WhatsApp platform so me miss na subscribe na yam build it together. Hano ANTSFE yam betwe story munche. They say musi mu data no boy de ni adenti asem no you go straight and and say crown light for our path the to be I am famba and then the war stories ni su gumi na so ha no light for our path ni be am the best share we nti without much I do no mesra subscribe share na for the comment the Kotoko WhatsApp platform no so na yenkoto ankomo no e was 0247 10 7260 0247 10 7260 that's the Asante Kotoko International WhatsApp reaction no and so no mesel yanko yanim straight away yen say emre crown na no update kakra bi wo ha me de be ma wansa na mabora Kotoko stories no I have stories from Kumase, from Accra, from Ghana ni nyina no makabu ma me de Asia in the form of local news presentation. Me say asem ba emunti ase no aha na obenya no the wafu zombie te say de na make na de ekoso Cote d'Ivoire no enye AFCON under 20 AFCON but under 20 wafu zombie ena omasha ase omobo no Cote d'Ivoire na Ghana ni Nigeria ena de pem so na Ghana edaye ya Nigeria for say 4-2 about Ghana entry ante and ho sem kakra and I was say me dey down and sana mabora stories no the Royal Super 24 TV no so Abdul Aziz Issa okay Dreams FC player bia nanka muka say ko beba Kotoko o ma Kotoko and eventually o call loan e Barcelona and now ye wo hwa ye nka bi nhyimu and asase mu mi nima de kunta man focus ye nka bi nhyimu na ye wo hwa na news no ebeto dwa say Abdul Aziz Issa Barcelona for assign permanently because of Barcelona for and say okobo Barcelona B which is the La Masia. It is a player no okol La Masia no Abdul Aziz Issa asem na yeke ebebo mabaso na ya commend player no so okol loan no o impress sanka wa impress amenyo so sanka basafo ebe o madwen say omo ebe make it deal no permanent for him. Tesade na make there are two Congolese players in Kumase made the whole update bro on the Royal Super 24 TV no. So aside this particular stories, what stories again and Nedria 28 July 2026 the year of our Lord. Another story which is having its way our discussion our baby our Fabiano Nations FC. What's a Nations FC for Ebequakobo tournament? Your friend of CAF Confederation Cup. No, na Nations FC and I made it to say, almost sim get to say, almost per se, almost games, no, oh, baby, your friend of Dr. Kwame Chi Complex, almost home venue, no. Na adeba ko ha bi say Nations FC a kwan de ko Dr. Kwame Chi ne de enye not too long ago okay say last year was the last 2 years Black Stars eba Ghana eba Kumase ebe ball bi na Abraham Kese na no mu training. Just imagine it's Abraham Kese facility no enya bad to be wrong honest enya bad nti ehia touches bia ebetima farm omo ebetima approve am omo I would feel say in CAF Confederation Cup there you'll be playing it at your natural home grounds, traditional home grounds. Okobobo ne baby ayeka. In the history of the Confederation Cup, me who club or board the home games no home away from home or the J competition, you know. Menkai say team B na yesi ne stadium nyanti e ma ne kɔbɔ baabi foforo e na ɔbɔ no de gye sa wokɔbɔ ne baabi a ete said ye wo start game no 3-0 no against you. That's the realities. Enti sa anyoma no yanhwe o ni fix it once and for all, because it is in Piomekas edi enya. It is actually killing our football. You understand? Because just imagine Asante Kotoko. Yeah, but last year the no. You started from Accra, masa nipa bre you know. Nipa bre sa ke baba yara ne ebo na at least nka ngofu enki eba de takashibi. Anasi enim hoye, but Accra no kra sa ya we emai. Not just imagine say Confederation Cup. What the service spectator no. Spectator no. Ekoba sa na. I just say Doctor I heard say Dr. Kwamiche na Nations FC Ball Confederation Cup our Accra Sports Stadium. Empty stadium. Baby any go stars no kobo mo dey empty stadium. Unya hwe ba be no a back for you to earn money. E have enti banya ne nte say Dr. Kwamiche Nations FC for Trama Cup say CAF for embe inspect Dr. Kwamiche Sports Complex na enra GF for omo represent CAF no ekọ ho e hyase ekoye processing ne ne ade enti mate se omo akoye enti ye bomba se CAF for no so be ba behwe no omo approve CAF for so omo ye long ato de bi ade kitikiti bi master omo hwe no omo approve na omo mmonu omo ho no enye Champions League Confederation Cup ko bo no ba bi ano de ekekra wo mu tira enya asem ketua eno ene kakra wo ha me de Asia with news from Asante region. I say news from elsewhere, Ghana, Accra, yenuanom mpanyifo a yabobra kakra echen omo Accra House of Folk. Accra House of Folk for egu preparations ase a omo he say this year league e be bonde omo beji enra ene beto odwa say onze na ano no House for akofa the Boza Capo former media coach osaye Herzegovina ni Bosnia and Herzegovina ni na coachy the backroom staff no or sheshe currently Omakofa Black Stars former goalkeeper Richard Olele Kenstel as the goalkeeper's trainer for Accra House of Folk. And information I'm getting is that Benjamin Asare Saudi clubs ya na ebamano inti Saudi one here betina one here beko ena omo goalkeeper ba ko na omo ka se Kotoko pe na mbega ze masa no krebia nim na yenuanom se ntwofo beba be ha ye ni atum futura goalkeeper ba ko ya ready din no Rafika Kra Solomon Agbasi so ne nam South Africa kra no ye trust ne ade e di nkomo inti has for goalkeepers trainer but currently goalkeepers na person omo ko yes but the Metimasa report on top of that and they say Benjamin Asare in your club or Abuchi no kwa Solomon Agbasi ebetina no ada has pool. Yes, or no upper starting position. If you has be a starting position, be a pedia you. And that's what Babet actually. And also any kakra or hamede down or the Real Super 24 TV also. Afe Bamen ko yedim. Ya yedim. Asante Kotoko. Ukuma Pemba is Abuto. You found to that. The club of the 20th century, the whole Africa. Now, and yes, Asante Kotoko boys and Ghana and African Cup, you who bid that. Then team say any first African Cup and a Kotoko Africa not Ghana club bia NG bida. So what I say, enti I also say respect Kumase Asante Kotoko. Now, say your coach, your friend Eric Tinkler, say no or observe players bill. Now no na Cameroon for me no be by Cameroon for me no. Unfortunately, or more performance no meet the expectation, the standard of Eric Tinkler and the poor Stanley Menzo. So the match on enti Kobasa and Neya Matisi a job quite finally. Now a big corner be by Kotoko a soldier go, soldier comes, barracks remains the same. Enti and Neya and Menyan in TSA. Two Congolese soldiers, very young guys, almost a PMA, or more no mabe under observation. One said, Kotoko, say, and she said, by the time I ever qua crano, Tima ever qua crano, wow, be biano, Oka Kotoko team a ye do be adwuma 2026-2027 no. Enti Congo for no enne Tuesday ya o me sha ase ye training ne ya hwe omo e wa adakogya acho Paju Park ho. Enti we Kotoko supporter na obetima to afa Paju Park ho na wako observe Kotoko training no. Enne mia skada na dos nkanya sanka meko na makoma mo live bibia meko be try samina time Paju de K University utumfo university ba akopaka meko na makohwe nioma na mahwese metimi etwa live amamwa enti enne players ne beba ne ya observe wo ne ya observe wo china ya observe wo china echi enti by Friday no so mo ya ade a two Congolese for you know ye de omo beka ho obi busam say super usi Congolese obo position ben ye edino medidino ebe twintwen so but position no e de metimi de amount ba ko e defender champion defender pa utimi bo center back utimi bo right and left back ono ne de no and only ne auxiliary qualities no but in the main position no center back and afi so back no so oye winger ye kasa winger ono no eda ntenten wa ho yes ono so ene de another Congolese player na our town now to the main headline to the main news okay player bi ye friend Asante Boahe onimbo borof oye center back no obo Nations FC menka sa odaso wo Nations FC kura me no kasa no o ma recommend ama na sese no coach le se ombra ne yehwe nti one Kotoko ye training ono ne mfoni na eda video no so ane ya twiro unity oye aguani no Asante Boahe oye center back Nations FC eje MTN FA Cup odimu tintiban pa eto da bia one Razak Simpson na bo 4 and 5 4 na akoda ni mbobbo medi metima aka no sa o convince Kumasa Asante Kotoko technical handlers headed by Eric Kobna-Tinkler. I'm sure say Kotoko ebe sign player and tie didi ye Asante Boahe obetima gogo me edino me bo no ma kiresie nti edino ye Asante Boahe gogo sisi an information nyina beba oboa Nations FC ema Nations FC eje MTN FA Cup 2026 no and no information and Super 24 TV ye dey down etifo ene ahefo edino and Azan Hamza obetima from the blog man me adwuma bi do ti a cha bebre me long time